My fellow Singaporeans and Jalan Besarians, my party, People's Voice, has said that it is time for real change in Singapore. Today, we have been described as one of the greatest failures as far as COVID-19 is concerned. Singaporeans would not have stood a chance with this bunch of 4G leaders. They cannot protect us in peacetime, let alone in wartime. And now, they have appointed Josephine Teo to lead their Jalan Besar GRC team. She is singularly responsible for the great explosion of COVID cases in the foreign dormitories, in the foreign workers' dormitories. The first foreign worker got infected in February. She should have known then of the dangers of infection spreading in densely crowded dormitories. But she either did not care or she was careless, and she allowed the event to happen. Jalan Besarians, I hope you will use your vote on the 10th of July as a referendum on Josephine Teo's competence and leadership.